Chapter 3: Excel Charts. An Excel workbook can contain a large amount of data, so it is difficult for you to interpret this data. For example, if you have numbers in your worksheet and you want to know the highest and lowest numbers from these numbers, so you can do it clearly by representing this data as a chart. Excel has various types of charts, so you can choose one that most efficiently represents your data. Charts. A chart is a tool in Excel that is used to communicate your data graphically. A chart can allow you to know the meaning behind your data. Displaying data in a well-conceived chart can make your numbers more understandable. You can use these charts to make comparisons much easier. Types of charts. Pie charts make it easy to compare proportions. Each value is shown as a slice of the pie, so it is easy to see which values make up the percentage of a whole. Do you know? Charts allow you to present information contained in the worksheet in a graphic format. Excel offers many types of charts including column, line, pie, bar, area, scatter, and more. Column. Column charts use vertical bars to represent data. They can work with many different types of data, but they are most frequently used for comparing information. Line charts. Line charts are ideal for showing trends. The data points are connected with lines, making it easy to see whether values are increasing or decreasing over time. Bar charts works just like column charts, but they use horizontal rather than vertical bars. Area charts. Area charts are similar to line charts, except the areas under the lines are filled in. Surface charts. Surface charts allows you to display data across a 3D landscape. They work best with large data sets, allowing you to see a variety of information at the same time. How to create a chart. Before making a chart, first of all, you need to define a data series. A data series is a related set of data points. In an Excel worksheet, it is usually one row of data with the associated column headings or one column of data with the associated row headings. All chart types can plot both single and multiple data series except pie chart. Let's learn creating charts using line chart. To create a line chart, the steps are as follows. 1. Type the data in your Excel worksheet as shown in the figure below. 2. Select the range A1 to C6. 3. On the Insert tab in the Charts group, choose Lines and select Lines with markers. Chart tools. Once you insert a chart, a set of chart tools arranged into 3 tabs will appear on the ribbon. They are only visible when the chart is selected. You can use these 3 tabs to modify your chart. To change chart type. 1. From the Design tab, click the Change Chart Type command. A dialog box appears. 2. Select the desired chart type, then click OK. Do you know? Context tabs are the tabs that only appear when you need them, which are so-called chart tools. There are three chart context tabs: Design, Layout, and Format. The context tabs become available when you create a new chart. How to change a chart type? You can easily change a chart type at any time. Following are the steps to change a chart type. 1. Select the chart. 2. On the Insert tab in the Charts group, choose Column and Selected Clustered Column. How to switch row or column? Sometimes when you create a chart, the data may not be grouped the way you want it to be. If you want your team name displayed on the vertical axis than to be displayed on the horizontal axis instead, following are the steps. Step 1. Select the chart. You will notice that Chart Tools contextual tab is activated as shown in figure. Step 2. On the Design tab, click Switch Row/Column. How to add chart title? You can easily add a chart title to your chart in Excel. To add a chart title, following are the steps below. Step 1. Select the chart. You will notice that the Chart Tools contextual tab is activated as shown in figure. Step 2. On the Layout tab, click Chart Title above Chart. Step 3. You will see a caption Chart Title above